Greg at Plast-O-Matic. This is how the valve is properly disassembled, and I think we're going to make a YouTube movie of this. So when you're going to rotate this nut to take the valve apart, you have to first just loosen the nut a little bit and then hold this tube down while you're undoing the nut. And the reason for that is because these key slots are supposed to engage these keys on the body, and you're not supposed to rotate this with respect to this. Otherwise, you can mess up the seal kit length, which messes up the stroke. So whenever you take the valve apart, I'm repeating this, when you want to first loosen the nut, you can do that, but once it's loose, hold this down and then remove the nut. Okay? Now, the seal kit length that I was telling you about is the length from here to here, and that should be 4.425. Plus or minus a couple thou is fine.
It's 2.425.
2.425. If it's longer than that, then you have to hold this metal core tube here. Actually, it's easier to take the spring off. Hold this and push the rubber seat up and rotate this. If I rotate this, that's going to make the seal kit length smaller. If I rotate it the other way, it's going to make the seal kit length longer. Okay, I'm going to try to make this 2.425. You have to push these together while you're rotating it. Okay, I went a little bit too much. Okay, that's good enough. Now I could put it back together. Just put it in, lay it in, make sure you put your spring in. Put this on top, make sure these two are engaged. While you're holding it down, put the nut on. And once the nut's down close to tight, you can tighten it all the way. And that's how to do the seal kit length.